That's what I'm talking about. Can I see? Can I see? Oh, it's right there. Yes. It's right there. Good job. Good girl. Found a really big hedgehog. Good girl. That's a big truffle. Hello friends and welcome to another truffle hunting episode. Today we are visiting a forest that we are familiar with and we are hoping to find some truffles. So stay tuned, enjoy the show, let's go get some truffles. Still walking in the forest, finding some single truffles. The dogs are sniffing around. Not much to be seen as of now. Hopefully we will find some nice truffles later on when the sun is up and they smell a little bit more. At least the dogs are having fun, running around, sniffing, enjoying the good weather, just as we do. Hopefully we can find some truffles. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. Good girl. And here is a treat. Good girl. Where is it? Find it, find it. Bring it here. Good job. Bring it here, bring it here. Where is it? Where is the truffle? Where is it? Where is it? Can I see? Can I see? Oh, it's right there. Yes. It's right there. Good job. Good girl. Good girl. Perfect. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. And here is your treat. Now go get some more. Good girl. Walking and looking for truffles, we found a really big hedgehog. It's so beautiful. Like a big thorn ball. We won't bother him so much. No, 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 no. Stay away, stay away. You never mess up with nature. You can film it, you can enjoy it. Never mess up with it too long. Just leave it be. The dog spotted some other truffles, guys. Here they are, in the ground. Just checking the ground. And as you can see, fresh truffles. We're gonna gently take them out, carefully. Here they are. Perfect truffles. Perfect truffles. Top quality. In the back. Alright guys, we already found a couple of truffles. Really big ones, nice ones. And we are looking for some more. The dogs are sniffing around, of course eating grass. But let's go get some more. Go baby girl. And she's bringing me a nice truffle. Bring it here baby girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Give it to me. Bring it here. Thank you. Thank you baby girl. That's a nice truffle. Thank you baby girl. Let me get you a treat. Good dog. You're the best dog. Let me get you a treat. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Now go get some more. Still walking, searching for the truffles. The dogs are sniffing around. Some are digging holes in the ground. What is it, baby girl? Bring it here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Come get your treat. Lara, come here. Lara. Come get your treat. Now go get some more. Where is it? Find it, find it. Where is it? Find it, where is it? Where is it? Bring it here. Bring it here. Where is the truffle? Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Let me check it out. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Get your treat. Always get your treat. Now let's get some more. Where is it, Coco? Where is it? Coco? Where is it? Is there a truffle here? Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Nice truffles. Good girl. Get your treat. Always get your treat. Find me another one. Should take it from here. Like I said, it's always good to check around it. If you can see other truffles, if not, always close the hole, just like that. Step on it. And go on your way. Yes, we see it. Nice truffle, nice dog. Yes, we see it. Can you dig it out? Yep. Nice dog. Good truffle. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good job. Let me give you a treat. You deserve it. Good dog, Lara. Now go get some more. Where is it? Dig it out. Yes, I see it. Good girl. I see it. Good girl. That's a big truffle. Bring it here. Good girl. That's a big truffle. Good girl. Now get your treat. Started digging. Is there a truffle around here? Anything out here? Any truffles in the ground? What are we digging for? Is it that deep? Yes? It's a nice truffle. Fresh as it can get. And the dog is bringing another one. Good girl. And there is another one. Another one bites the dust. Good spot. Good girl. Good dog. Always check around it, but after that, cover it up. Step on it for future generations. So next year, when we come back here, we can find another nice truffles. Perfect. In the back. The dogs found a nice truffle, and right next to it, while I was walking around and explaining about always checking where the truffle was, because there can be another one. So carefully extract it, take it out, and there is another one. Dog's bringing it. And there is a snail in the truffle. First time seeing. I've been a truffle hunter for more than 9 years, and it's the first time when I see a snail in the truffle. Could Good job. And as always, cover the place where you take out the truffle. In the back. As we were walking through the forest, we found a big tortoise. That's a huge specimen. He's gonna eat the sausage, the dog treat. We won't bother him so much. As always, we let them be. Take care, buddy. The dogs found a spot and they're digging around. Are there any truffles right there? Are we bringing something? Is there a truffle in your mouth? Is it for me? It's just a piece, but it's a nice ripe truffle. Already smelling amazing. Perfect. But you broke it in half. Good dog. Let me give you a treat. Where is it? Where is it? Is there a truffle here in the stones? Can I take it out? Excuse me. Excuse me. Miss. Let me take it out. Please let me take it out. Let me get a better spot. Yes, 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 I see it, I see it, I see it, I see it. I see it. Yes, there is a truffle here. Okay, take it. Bring it here. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me, miss. I'm right here. Yes, I'm right here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let me just find a better position. There it is. She finally found it. You have to take it out carefully. That's a nice big truffle. Yes, it is. That's a real banger. That's the mother lode of all truffles. Huge, huge truffle.
Jackpot.
Jackpot. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's the the biggest one so far.
Look, look the dog.
Woo! In the back. Let's find another one. Okay guys, so we're finally finished for the day. Let's measure some of the truffles so that you can see how much they weigh. Let us clear the... Okay, so 94.63 grams. That's one of the biggest ones. Here are some of the smaller ones. 60 grams, 60.77. This one 64.53. Okay, so, and just for you, let me cut one of the truffles so that you can see how a fresh truffle looks from the inside. This is it. This is what a fresh truffle looks from the inside. Already starting to ripe. It smells amazing. That's it guys. We wrap it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.